personal MBA coach had a different strategy altogether because they were very clear with how they'll spend my time. And I was a round two candidate in the year 2020. So I was already scared because every consultant was telling me that my chances are really um, kind of sketchy wherever I apply because it was a slightly tougher year. So when I spoke to a personal MBA coach, I felt that he was not hopeless. He was in fact hopeful and he was very frank, which I truly liked. So working with personal MBA coach did change my strategy a lot. Earlier, I thought that application is all about just writing your essays right, and I thought that most of my time would be spent on that. But when I started working with personal MBA coach, when I had a one-on-one session with Scott, he mentioned that I have to kind of strategize. I have to come up with proper goals in the long term and short term, and be very clear and concise with them. That was really different for me, and that was kind of a game changer for me because I started looking at profiles over LinkedIn about how what are the different career paths of people and what I want to follow, and I started networking with people more. Even from these schools, I started networking with people, not just because I wanted an admit there, but because I wanted to understand more about their career paths. And it all kind of got me really excited about the prospect of B school and MBA in general. So I really liked that working on my goal for a month phase. And then we started working on the essays, which was really amazing for me. And I did not expect that I'll be finished with my essays 1 month before the application deadlines. So that was really helpful for me. I have a tendency of overthinking. And I was 1 month before when my essays were done, I had a lot of time to overthink. And I did start doing that. And then I was just, looking at my essays and I was feeling that we can make this stronger by changing these sentences or something. So at those places, I felt that when personal MBA coach was telling me that, you are just overthinking this way too much and you need to really trust whatever we have done in the past few months and appreciate your hard work and just go ahead and click that submit button. I think that was the best advice because that kind of made me hold myself back and trust him and trust the process in general. Overall, the impression that I had about personal MBA coach was really good. I was really at peace knowing that whatever queries I have will be clarified. Every small doubt that I had, I was just shooting mails all throughout the day to personal MBA coach, and best part was that they were all replied on time within 2 days. That was the time frame promised to me, and that was fulfilled every time. Yes, I would definitely recommend personal MBA coach to my friends and colleagues because I feel that people from India who are applying may not know everything that's happening in the B schools over there. And the kind of resources that personal MBA coach provided to us were exceptional. I mean, when I was working with personal MBA coach for my POT and TBD discussions, the person who was taking those TBDs was actually a previous admissions fellow, which was really helpful because every piece of advice was coming from the horse's mouth, and we knew what would work and what would not work. They gave sharp points, clearly communicated points where I needed to work on, and that really, really helped me.